it's over. I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe, but now I'm
Yeah.
Hey guys, so what's up?
What's up, my guy?
Say what's up.
What's up?
Yo.
What's up, my guy?
So we're currently in the middle of, I'm standing on a chair right now. We're in the middle of building my boy Branin's PC right now. He's trying to put a SSD in the slot tray. Everything's coming along pretty good so far. Only a few more things to, get knocked out, and we'll show you the final build. I'm gonna pan it back over to this and let you guys watch the rest of the commotion go down.
What we do here is go back.
My guy. Yeah.
How are we mounting this, my dude?
Right here, look. I just don't know which way it goes.
Which way the fan goes?
This is the back of it.
This is the back. So which way is the air pushing?
I mean, if these
I need it to push into the
Think about this one.
These are
This is the
intakes.
same exact.
These are intakes, so it's like this. So when it spins,
Oh, bet.
it sucks in air.
Bet. So I'm gonna put these right here, and then the heat sink on this inside, because I can't put the heat sink in there because it'll block all the airflow.
Liquid cooler support.
Jumping apart rather than not. I change your life, now you gon' ride. Ooh, sing it. He ain't got no money. Yeah. Ooh, sing it. He ain't got no money. Yeah. Ooh, sing it. He ain't got no money. Yeah. Ooh, sing it. He ain't got no money. Yeah.
Scared, bro. I've never done this before.
That one's flush.
Yeah, that one's good.
Just lay on
Where's
it.
the other screwdriver?
Fuck that shit. You gotta love, cases that aren't flush. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm putting them up so that I can reach these better though.
The closest thing to what
That 4.0.
I heard. And running too.
Oh shit. Alright, bet. I'm gonna do this one now. That's just so scary, bro.
Thermal, you'll be good. It's not like, that's pre-installed thermal paste, so like.
I dropped one of these fucking.
Where'd it go?
Give me a screw.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's right there.
It's harder than it looks. Throw that one on there, Steven. Yo, this is gonna be fucking dope. Thank you, Nate.
Yeah, bro.
Just remove this, and then just screw these through and in. And I'm pretty sure it'll work. Put the fans here.
Right.
Throw it in. I think it'll work perfect.
Okay, gotcha. But this needs to have something flush.
These screws are what's keeping this to this. But if we attach these through here and into them, this will hold everything together. Taking the whole thing apart. So let's do these first.
Yeah, loosen those. We did not do this correctly. You're supposed to go.
Alright, bet. This fan.
Throw it in. Oh,
Alright, bet. Alright, you ready for this hell?
no. That's what we were supposed to do from the get-go. These go out the back.
Yo, why does it line up perfect now? What? It's in.
I know. We installed that incorrectly.
That case is clean, my guy.
Clean, my guy. Clean, my guy.
Yo, the screws for the back of this.
I lost.
Son of a bitch. Oh my god.
I've lost track, bruh.
To the right a little bit. Or left, right there. Nate, line this boy up, the white thing, towards your finger, this finger a little more. Right there. And then try and push it down just a hair. Awesome. Go crazy.
Oh, Brandon.
Go stupid!
You didn't need to take off that sticker.
Why?
Because there's a plastic tab that I think I would have came off with that. Sorry, that was
You
my
took the
fault.
sticker.
That was my fault.
Yeah, so is this whole ordeal, but it's fine.
What?
Push it in up at the top.
The top?
Yeah.
Is it lined up?
Hold on, what's that? See the gap between them?
Oh no, wait. Stop.
He needs some milk.
Lift. Take this off. This is not even off. Your bracket. Building a PC could technically take 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how many parts you have. And how
The complexity.
Yeah, and how familiar you are. I've never installed a cooler, so it'd take longer because I've never done that before. But everything else, for the most part, is good. It's just a matter of figuring out, like, for bigger cases, your airflow, like intake and everything.
It's in, right?
Yeah.
My brother's account.
So,
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
that was great. I love it. Just lift it up. Right there. Put that bracket back on. And
Yeah.
then screw them in over the bracket.
Why?
That works too.
Sorry, bro. I'm kind of difficult.
He's like, fuck it.
That's just my
Fuck it.
personality, bro.
We'll
I
do it
can't.
live.
Like, I would rather do it wrong and learn. You know what I
Yeah.
mean? I guess that's my hidden mentality.
Yeah.
Or maybe I'm just stubborn. But perfect.
Dude, technology took such a huge jump, bro. And,
Yeah.
like for like PCs, like between 2005 and 4 and like 2012.
Yeah.
Huge jump.
But see, now we're at the point where it's slowing down. Like, you know Moore's Law?
Mhm.
So that basically says that the cost and the processing speed of the cost of transistors and the amount of transistors on a processing unit will double every 18 months. The amount of transistors will double and the cost will half every 18 months. And that was the case for like a long ass time, but now it's starting to slow down. So it's great for people that are building PCs.
Because it's a lot longer lasting.
Right.
Since newer technology isn't
Yeah.
coming out so quick.
Go mental.
I'm mentally deranged, yeah.
Go mentally deranged, yeah? Go brainless, yeah? Go wacky. Go positively bonkers, yeah? Go mad, bruv. Lose your marbles, yeah? Go foolish.
And that's it. We're done. We just gotta plug everything in. That's dope.
Yeah, my brother's account's got like 99
We
strength,
should
99 defense, 99
we should definitely reinstall
Strength is
this.
fucking hard.
Cross your fingers for sure.
We just have to turn it off immediately. If
If this is
All right, so we're like an hour into footage. Holy
Yeah.
shit, this is long. So this is a moment of truth, guys.
Here we go.
Damn.
Nice.
Everything turned on.
Hey, look at that.
He's
That's so
on.
clean.
That's running.
That's cool. That's so clean. Make sure graphics card fans are running.
This
Yeah.
is.
That's running.
This is. Did we mount that wrong? Is it
No.
blowing it inside?
No. Oh yeah, it is.
Bro.
Yo, it's fine. It's fine.
It's-
We'll remount it.
It's blowing air towards the
Everything's on,
inside.
right?
That's terrible. This is
Yeah,
sucking
yeah.
in
Oh
it.
wait, I wasn't recording.
Bruh.
See, like what you can do.
We gotta restart it. Everyone, new reactions. Watch out, Steven. Yo, first time turn it on. Hey, you know. That's so dope. All right, bet.
Turn off.
So this lets you know, basically, this light right here will let you know if you have anything wrong with your motherboard. I'm trying to focus in so you guys can see it. I'm not focusing. But basically, if you have anything wrong with like your lights or things of that nature, it'll tell you right in here there's an issue. But the only thing I'm seeing is boot, so it's probably in. There's no other red lights or like lights on that the motherboard or like the memory or anything is having issues. It's probably in diag right now, so if
No,
we-
it's sucking there out.
no, it's not.
No, it's not.
It's blowing it out. Is it sucking it out?
Yeah.
It is.
Wait, give me a real.
Hold on. What way is that facing? Because if the if the NZ XT is not the out one, then it's facing the wrong way. He's gonna test it with his vape. Don't blow it too close.
Yeah. It's like,
Okay,
Nice.
good airflow.
That's-
Good airflow.
hey.
We test it with vape smoke. That's
Yeah,
comedy.
it's-
All right. Up to the front, to like the front panel, so like underneath maybe.
You come through?
Not really.
Yeah.
A
I mean,
little
a little
bit.
bit, but I mean. Yeah.
Yep. So airflow is good.
Nice.
Perfect. So you can just turn it off.
Is this 1 second now too? Yeah.
Nice.
It's quiet. I'm extremely
You're
happy.
the one with like loud.
Yeah. It sounds like a fucking vacuum.
All right. Awesome, man.
Doesn't that look dope though?
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
nasty.
that one
got
I
the
like.
I think that's the one I'm gonna get. I don't know. I might get a
Hit it,
different
bro.
one,
I want to turn on this one more time. Yo, that's so.
but that's nasty. Yeah. You can change colors too, right?
Yeah, of course, of course.
And in the software after you get your diet. Yeah. Do you have
My theme, my pretty much my desk theme is blue, black, and white.
Do you have your your operating system and everything?
Yeah, it's on the flash drive over there.
Gotcha.
This
You
is
didn't pay for it, right?
No, of course not.
Okay. Yeah. I bet. So now we just have to do some cable management and
We're good.
yeah. Hey guys, it's your boy Tyto again. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate the support. We finally built Brandon's PC, or we successfully built Brandon's PC. I didn't really record any of the turning on of the monitor or us going into the booting screen or anything, but he's playing it right now. He's having a great time, I'm sure. He's probably watching this video right now. So it's really awesome to see, you know, another custom PC build put together. It wasn't really an in-depth video. It was kind of just like, you know, record it, let you guys see our experience with it, and, you know, share some of the laughs that I guess we had or whatever. So you could see what, you know, building a PC is like, because, you know, people have trouble building PCs, and wanted to show that you pretty much anybody can do it. Yeah. If you guys like the content, please, by all means, you should definitely leave a comment below. You should like and subscribe as well if you want to see more. I don't know what the next video will be, but it'll be something, you know, who knows. Just to keep the consistency going. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching again, and see you later. Peace.